Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix songs not showing in your Spotify playlist in 2025. First of all, make sure your Spotify app is updated to the latest version. Then, check if the missing songs are unavailable in a region. Sometimes, tracks disappear from playlists because of licensing restrictions. And if that's the case, Spotify cannot play them. Now, if you know these songs should be available, try clearing the app cache. On your iPhone, go to your Settings app. After that, tap on General followed by iPhone Storage. Now, scroll down and tap on Spotify. And finally, tap on Offload app. After that, reinstall it from the same screen. This clears cached data without deleting your playlist. After that, reopen Spotify and check your playlist again. Also, make sure you're logged into the correct account. Many people have multiple accounts, and if you're signed into the wrong one, your playlist may not match. If you're using offline mode, some songs might not show because they're not downloaded yet. Switch back to online mode, refresh the playlist, and then re-download the songs. Finally, if nothing works, log out of Spotify, restart your phone and log back in. This refreshes your account and usually fixes playlist issues. And that's all. By trying these fixes, you should be able to solve the problem of songs not showing in your Spotify playlist in 2025.